The Meta Quest 4 is no longer a rumor, it is official. After the success of the Quest 2 and the major leap forward with the Quest 3, Meta is ready to introduce a new generation. This is not just a small step, it is not just another model. It is a bold move toward a new era of digital experiences. Meta is aiming higher than ever before. The Quest 4 is not only about gaming, it is about reshaping how we work, how we create, and even how we live our daily lives. It is about blending reality with the virtual world in a way that feels natural. This headset is designed to be more than a toy. It is built to be a tool, a workspace, a gym, a cinema, and a social hub all in one. When Meta launched the first Quest, it brought VR to the mainstream. The Quest 2 pushed that even further, with affordability and accessibility that helped millions of people try virtual reality for the first time. The Quest 3 then refined the formula with mixed reality features and more power. But now, the Quest 4 is here, and it signals something bigger. Meta is saying this is not just VR. This is the foundation for the future of digital life, a platform for more than gaming. The first major shift with the Quest 4 is its purpose. For years, VR was seen as mainly for gaming. Yes, there were apps for movies, fitness, or social hangouts, but gaming was the heart. Where the Quest 4 Meta is moving beyond that. The device is being built as a multi-purpose platform. It is designed for communication, collaboration, fitness, creativity, and productivity. Meta wants to make virtual and mixed reality as natural as checking your phone or opening a laptop. Imagine joining a business meeting in a virtual office, where you can sit across from colleagues as if they are really there. Imagine sculpting a 3D model with your hands instead of clicking a mouse. Imagine starting a guided workout where the coach feels like they're in the room with you. This is what the Quest 4 is meant to deliver. Meta's vision is to integrate immersive technology into daily routines. Whether you are working, exercising, designing, or just relaxing with entertainment, the Quest 4 aims to be the headset you turn to. Comfort and build quality. One of the biggest complaints about VR headsets is comfort. Wearing a bulky device on your head for long periods is not fun. Many users get tired, some get headaches, and extended sessions can feel impossible. Meta knows this. That is why the Quest 4 has been redesigned to fix these problems. The Quest 4 is expected to be slimmer, lighter, and better balanced. The weight distribution will make it feel less front-heavy, reducing neck strain. The materials will be more premium, closer to what was used in the Quest Pro, giving durability without extra bulk. The head strap has also been rethought. It should feel more natural and less tight around the head. Better ventilation has been added to stop overheating and to reduce the fogging on lenses that often ruins immersion. And for hygiene, especially in households where the headset is shared, Meta is introducing magnetic face cushions. These can be removed easily for cleaning or swapped quickly when multiple people are using the device. It is a small detail, but it makes the headset much more practical for real-world use. A huge leap in visual quality. At the heart of immersion is visual quality. The Quest 4 is rumored to make a big leap here. Past models like the Quest 2 and Quest 3 used LCD panels, good enough for many, but still limited. The Quest 4 is expected to adopt OLED or even micro-OLED displays. This means deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and richer colors. The difference will be immediately noticeable. Scenes will feel more lifelike. Dark environments will no longer look washed out. Bright scenes will shine without losing detail. Resolution is also taking a step up. Reports suggest around 2500 by 2500 pixels per eye, combined with a refresh rate of 120 Hz or higher. This should eliminate the screen door effect entirely. That effect, where you see a grid of pixels, has long been a weakness in VR. The Quest 4 may finally erase it. Higher resolution and higher refresh rates mean smoother, sharper visuals. Whether you are exploring a game world, watching a movie, or working on a design project, the virtual environment will feel much closer to reality. Powering it all, the Snapdragon XR chip behind these visuals is a new powerhouse. A custom Snapdragon XR chip co-developed with Qualcomm. This is not just an upgrade. It is a major step forward. The chip is designed specifically for VR and MR. It will deliver smoother graphics, faster load times, and richer environments. And it will do this without requiring a PC connection. That is the magic of the Quest series. It is standalone. You put it on, and you are in. No wires, no towers, no external hardware, but there is more. The chip will also bring advanced AI integration. This means better hand tracking, faster voice recognition, and more accurate spatial awareness. Gestures will feel more natural. Voice commands will work instantly, and the headset will understand your environment more clearly, blending the virtual with the real in ways that feel seamless. Controllers redesigned for precision while hand tracking is improving. Controllers are still essential for many tasks. The Quest 4 is bringing a redesign here as well. The controllers will be more ergonomic, shaped to feel natural in the hands during long sessions. The button layout has been refined for gaming and productivity alike. Haptic feedback is being upgraded to deliver more realistic sensations, whether you are pulling back a bowstring in a game or shaking a hand in VR. The feedback will feel much closer to the real action. Leaks also suggest that the new controllers may have built-in tracking sensors or cameras. If true, this would eliminate the need for external tracking hardware, simplifying setup and improving accuracy. Battery life is another big focus. Longer-lasting controllers mean fewer interruptions. It is a small improvement, but one that matters during extended play or work sessions. Mixed reality, blending worlds seamlessly. The Quest 3 introduced mixed reality, but the Quest 4 is set to take it further. Mixed reality is the ability to blend real surroundings with virtual objects. With the Quest 4, this becomes a central feature. The upgraded color pass-through cameras will show your real environment in high quality, almost in real time. Improved depth sensors will map the room with greater precision. This means the headset will know exactly where your walls, tables, and objects are. The result: virtual objects can be placed perfectly in your space. A virtual screen can stay fixed on your wall. A game can unfold across your coffee table. An exercise program can adjust to the size of your room. Mixed reality turns the Quest 4 from just a headset into a versatile tool. It makes it useful for work, entertainment, creativity, and even daily tasks. Meta's strategic move in XR Quest 4 is more than hardware. It is part of Meta's long-term XR vision. Meta is betting big that immersive technology will one day be as common as smartphones. The new Snapdragon XR chip allows more tasks to be processed locally, reducing latency and opening doors to advanced applications. Imagine an AI-powered fitness coach that responds in real time to your movements. Imagine real-time language translation while talking to someone in another country. These are not science fiction. They are the kind of features Meta wants to bring to life. Against rivals, Meta has a clear strategy. Apple's Vision Pro is powerful but extremely expensive. Sony's PSV2 is tied to a console. Pico headsets compete, but not at Meta scale. The Quest 4 is aiming for the sweet spot: standalone, accessible, and affordable. Not just for gamers. The Quest 4 is not being built only for gamers. It is for fitness enthusiasts who will benefit from more accurate tracking and engaging programs. It is for professionals who can collaborate in realistic virtual offices. It is for designers and artists who can create in fully immersive 3D studios. Even casual users will find value. Imagine watching a movie on a massive virtual screen, or exploring interactive educational apps. With mixed reality, learning, working, and relaxing all gain new dimensions. This is the biggest difference between the Quest 4 and past models. It is not just a headset for one type of user. It is a device that aims to fit into many lifestyles.